so much tech and not enough ports to plug them into? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the TOBENONE USB-C docking station. This thing is packed full of ports. You've got display ports, multiple monitor ports, power ports, USB-C ports, and more. It's loaded. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at this TOBENONE USB-C docking station. Packaging looks fantastic, very nice. It's just as expected of TOBENONE. So let's open it up. Inside the box, we have this GAN 3 charger right here. I believe this is a 100 watt. Look at that, 100 watt GAN 3 charger. This thing is awesome right here. It's included. We also have some cables that are included as well. This USB-C to USB-C. It feels very, very nice. This is a high quality cable. This is most likely going to be your host cable, so you're going to run this into your computer or laptop and the other end into the host port of the TOBENONE docking station. And then what you came for? Look at this docking station. My goodness. Whoa. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Wow. Very nice. Looks like we got another one. Woo-wee. So looking at the ports on the back, we've got Ethernet port, we've got some USB 3.0 ports, some 2.0 ports, video USB-C, we've got, it looks like a power port, we've got our host port that's going to plug into your computer, 2 HDMI ports right here, so all together that's 3 for triple monitors. On the other side, we've got a 10 gigabits data transfer USB-C. Wow, right there, 20 watts included right on the front. Audio headphone jack and SD card readers with the mini SD as well, and another 10 gigabyte right there. This thing is awesome. Look at that little power button too. Well, let's go ahead and get it set up. This is the TOBENONE UDS038 USB-C docking station for a triple 4K display. It's a 16-in-1 dock with a USB-C video port. A dock for everything you need. This is a USB-C docking station that can be the center of your workstation for everything. You only need to connect one USB-C cable to your laptop or computer and then connect all your devices effortlessly. Up to 16 ports, including 2 HDMI, a USB-C display, Ethernet, USB-C 3.2 and USB 3.2, 10 gig, and a USB-C 3.1 with a power supply of 20 watts, 2 USB 3.0s, 2 USB 2.0s, USB-C power, USB PD 3.0, and a USB-C Connect host with an SD/micro SD slot and 3.5mm mic and audio slot. Also, it's equipped with a power button, so the convenience it offers is unmatched. Single 8K or triple 4K display. This TOBENONE laptop docking station supports driving up to 3 external monitors via 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB-C display port. That means you can get a single monitor up to 8K at 30 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz, or dual monitors up to 4K at 60 Hz. Or triple monitors with the dual HDMI 4K 60 Hz and the USB-C display with 4K at 30 Hz. So it's going to be perfect for editing, gaming, streaming, office work, and so much more. 100 watt GAN 3 charger included. This docking station has an independent 100 watt GAN 3 charger, which can keep your laptop powered up to 87 watts via the USB-C PD 3.0 port. And it offers up to 20 watts of charging for your phone and other mobile devices via the front USB-C port. Enough USB ports for your needs. This USB docking station has 3 monitor ports and 7 USB ports. So again, that means everything you need can stay charged and stay plugged up. And this thing is designed for Windows laptops. This PC docking station is fully compatible with Windows laptops with a full-featured Type-C Thunderbolt 3/4 port. So pretty much any laptop that's got USB-C on it, as well as mini computers as well, are going to be perfectly compatible with this TOBENONE USB-C docking station. This thing is loaded, it's super powerful, it looks great. TOBENONE, you've done it again. Great job. As you know, we've worked with TOBENONE in the past, and all of their products have just been fantastic. They make so many quality products, so huge shout out to them. They make so many quality products. Everything has just been A+. We want to give a huge shout out to TOBENONE for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.